This is onion and tomato soup exclusively for you guys from Tiffin and Meals. In today's video, we are going to learn to prepare tomato onion soup, a side dish suitable for idli, dosa, appam, idiyappam and even for chapatis. Now let's go into the video. Ingredients: 1 large onion cut into fine pieces, 2 large tomatoes finely chopped, 4 or 5 pods of garlic, crush them into pieces, and a handful of finely cut coriander. Heat oil in a pan. Take 2 teaspoons of oil. Gingerly oil is better than any other oil for this recipe. Now add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow it to crackle. Then add half a teaspoon of urad dal to it. Now saute well till it turns into golden brown. Now add the finely chopped onion into the pan and then saute well. Allow it to turn into golden brown. Add a pinch of salt to it. Let it turn into brown, golden brown. Now look at it, it has turned into pink in color. Now this is the time to add tomatoes to it. Now add a pinch of salt to it so that the tomatoes get mashed well. Both onion and tomato should get blend with each other. Allow it to mash well. Allow both to mash well together. Now add coriander leaves. Mix well. Add 2 teaspoonfuls of sambar powder. Half a teaspoon of salt to saute well. Now this is the time to add crushed garlic. Never add garlic in the beginning. So when you are adding garlic to it in the end, it enhances the flavor of the recipe. Add 1 tumbler of water to it. Mix well. Cover it with a lid and put it in simmer. Boil for 10 minutes. After switching off the flame, add the remaining coriander leaves. Now the dish is ready to serve. I have served this dish with appam. Please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment.